Hi there! Today we are going to make a fox. Well, I'm very excited to make it. Yes, we see 4 steps right here. And why don't we start with our first step? The first step says that we have to make a circle for the face. And then another circle for the back portion of our fox. The face circle will be a little smaller while the back circle will be a little bigger. Let's join that with 2 curved lines and then start making the lines for the legs and then the tail. Remember that you need to make a very light drawing so that just in case if you make a mistake, it is easier for us to erase it. Draw the face in a detailed version. But first, only make the markings. Once we are done or ready with the skeleton, we will start by making the entire drawing fair. Yes, we will make it a little darker this time because we are sure of what we are drawing. Make the legs properly. And a little overlapping this time. After that, let's make the ears. And then the face. Yes, we will make all the facial features very slowly. Erase the parts which you feel are not required. And then start redrawing on top of it once again. The top part of our fox is almost ready. Can we make these zigzag lines for the fur? Looks very interesting, isn't it? Complete this in a similar way. And erase the light parts if you feel that they are not required. Continue making the bottom part in a similar way. And then let's make this beautiful furry tail. We need to keep making these zigzag lines so that we can show the fur of our fox. This looks very interesting. Make these few zigzag lines inside the body as well. Let's make this together. Make the bottom part of the face. Yes, it almost looks like a mustache. Just in case if you make a mistake, not to worry. You can erase it and redraw it again. This is the reason we draw a very light drawing at first so that it is easier for us to erase it. Give it a few final checks now. Let's do the final touch-ups of the leg now. Yes, we will do it everywhere. Let's make the bottom part properly. And then complete the entire picture in a similar way. This looks lovely. Let's go ahead with sketching this now. As you know, we have to sketch this with a black sketch pen. Can we sketch this together? That's lovely. Go very slow while making these intricate details. And make sure that you keep your book in whichever way possible and comfortable for you. Make sharp features for the fox. And then start by making the body. Go exactly on top of the pencil marks so that our fox looks very attractive. Complete the entire picture in a similar way. This looks amazing. Once we are done with this, let's erase all the pencil marks we see. Yes, the extra ones. And then start coloring this. First, wherever we see these zigzag lines for the fur, we are going to use dark brown for that. Yes, it is going to give a nice shading effect, so why don't we do that? Make this patch right here and color it with dark brown color. And make another patch right here with zigzag lines and color inside with the same color. Wherever we see the shadows, that's where the dark color is colored. After that, let's blend this with ochre color. This is going to give us an exact shade which is mentioned in our book. Color only at places which are ochre in color. Make sure you don't color at places which are white in color or pale yellow in color. Color on top of the brown right here. Yes, so that both the colors blend very well. Complete the entire drawing in a similar way. While making the zigzag lines in the tail, we will be very careful as the bottom part is going to be light and the top part is going to be dark ochre. Make these zigzag lines properly. This looks amazing. Let's take black color and do the bottom part. Yes, the bottom part of the leg. We will be very careful while coloring this as it is a very thin area. Press your color hard on top of the paper so that you get a good color shade. Yes, a darker one. Color the back side also. And complete the entire picture in a similar way. This looks very interesting.